population proportion is just P, right?
Yeah.
So the requirements for confidence interval and for a hypothesis test are the same, right?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Is it greater than or equal to 10, or does it have to be 10, like greater than?
I think it's greater than and equal to.
So I think that it's true for both.
Yeah.
So P hat is just 45 divided by 60, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And that is 0.75. All right, so the margin of error, did you get 0.109? So I guess 110.
Yeah.
I think so.
Then the lower bound, I got 0.640.
Yeah.
And the upper bound was 0.860.
Yeah.
Let's see, for number 10, the confidence interval would decrease, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Sample size.
Is it 20?
I think so, yeah. That would satisfy it too.
Yeah, I think it's 20.
I think so.
And that's the thing. Would it be 12?
Let's see, what equation are you putting it in?
I'm doing the n times p, except I have p hat written down, but I guess it must work for p because that's all we're getting. But n times p is greater than or equal to 10, and then I just do like equals 10 and solve for n.
Okay.
And then also the other one that's times 1 minus p.
Okay, there we go. You think that one's 12?
Yeah, because it was like 11 point something, so I just rounded up.
Yeah.
I think it's satisfied.
I think so. So do you know when you're like inputting it into the Excel or whatever, and it just asks greater than or less than, would this one be less than?
Yeah.
I'm still never sure like which one, like which way it is, but
Yeah, I think it would be less than, since it's the alternate.
ooh,
Less than because of the alternative hypothesis where it involved.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah.
All right, and then p hat was 0.475.
Yeah.
Test statistic was negative 2.22. And then the p-value was 0.011. What was the level of significance? 0.05. So we would reject the null.
Mhm.
There's sufficient evidence.
That the water quality has decreased, right?
Yeah.
So the last one. Maybe we'll get we'll actually get 100% on our first try for once. We only got one wrong. And it was that size of the, like what n would have to be.
Oh,
I mean, my other guess would be 100 because that was like what I got for the other one.
I think I got 2 wrong.
It was negative 2.82, right? I think.
15?
Yeah, the test is system.
Yeah, negative 2.82.
Okay. So make sure I got that one on there.
15 was 2.82.
Negative
Yeah,
2.82.
negative 2.
Oh, I think I put negative 2.2 for some reason.
Oh, there you go. That's what it was.
Yeah, so I just resubmitted mine for the first time. I put in 100 and it came out right.
Okay. So I guess,
12.
Yeah.
Awesome.
yeah, it must just be that you have to pick whatever the bigger one is because, like, there's the two separate things. And I picked the smaller one, but I guess it's the biggest one.
And what was 18? There's
The bottom one there's
water has decreased.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, maybe this one will be better than the last one. I still haven't done the homework and the quiz for the last one because we never figured it out. So it's like, we'll get to it. Okay, so for the designing the study thing, what should the steps be? I just have we'll go to the grocery store and buy the bottom right box of 21.7 ounce Fruit Loops.
Yeah.
And then I guess we will each separate them.
So that's for this week. We all need to go to the store before, because it's due Saturday or Friday?
No, we don't have to actually do it yet. I just have to turn in this thing because then she has to like approve our project. But I asked her about it when we went over our test and she already said it's fine. But okay, go to the store, I guess.
Yeah.
Easy to get it. But then we'll count how many of each.
Do you want to send that to us?
Yeah, sure. I'll just email it to you guys.
Yeah.
Okay.
I just don't know how to like phrase it. So I put we'll count how many of each color there are and input that data into the ANOVA spreadsheet. But then what? I guess we will compare variances
guess compare variants of
Yeah.
different colors.
I just don't know like how detailed they need to go. Like that's only 4 steps, but that's what it is. So
Yeah.
okay. Well, I'll go ahead and email this to you guys then.
Sounds good. Thank you.
I guess I could